Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this scarf, which you can wear in lots of different ways. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to make my scarf. Now I will prepare my fabric for sewing. So this is the left side and that's the right side. So I'm folding my fabric in half so the right side is inside. And I'm pinning both edges together. The center part of the scarf I will leave open. I won't sew in the center of the scarf there, but I will sew the seam all around there and on other side there. Next, I will turn my scarf to the right side using this middle opening. I'm sharpening the scarf corners using the pin. My scarf is turned to the right side now. Next, I'm ironing all of the seams flat. This is how it looks after I ironed all of the seams flat on my scarf. Last thing what I need to do is to sew together this middle opening. And my scarf is finished now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions how I made this scarf, please comment down below in a comment box.